Hello guys, today we will see the concept of method overloading in Java programming. So first you should remember this point in your mind. In Java, two or more method can have the same name if they differ in the parameters. These method called overloaded method and this feature is called method overloading. So here you observe this example. In both these method, here we have the same name, but here we have two parameter, here we have three. So that is exactly the method overloading, because their names are same but the tasks are different. In general life, suppose two employees are there, their post is same. Okay, what I am telling, their post is same but their work can be different. For example, two are teacher, their subject can be different, their teaching style can be different. So that is what method overloading. So in programming point of view, two or more method can be there. That is important. It is not only two, it can be three, four, but their name must be same and they have some difference in their parameter, whether it is data type or number of parameter, whatever it is. So that is what method overloading concept. Next one is three-way to overload a method. So there are the three ways, friend, to overload the method. That is number of parameter, second one is data type of parameter, and third one is sequence of data type of parameter. So first point is number of parameter. So number of parameter means the first criteria you understood. Suppose you have two method, their name must be same, but number of parameter means here we have 2 and 3, so that will become overloading, method overloading concept. And here data types of parameters. So here in both the cases we have two parameter, but here you observe here integer float, so that will become method overloading. Sequence, here int float, but here float int, so their sequence will be different, so that is again the method overloading concept. So in method overloading the situation can be arises like that. So here whatever the difference is there, it will become the method overloading concept. Invalid case of method overloading. When I say argument list, I am not talking about the return type of method. For example, two method have the same name, same parameter, have different return type, then it is not a valid method overloading. So friend, method overloading means sometime what happen, the two method name having same name, same data type, but only their return type is different. So that will be not a method overloading concept. For example, both the method have same name, same data type, total number of parameters same, but here only the difference is there. So that is not method overloading concept. That is very important point. So this one is not counted here, return type, only this portion is counted, that parameter list and the name. This one is not counting in the method overloading concept. Activity based on method overloading, we will take one task. Simple task we will take for your understanding. Here I want addition of 2, addition of 3. So here you can use method overloading concept. You have to use method like that. Sum having 2 parameter because we are going to perform a plus b. Sum having 3 parameter because we are going to perform this task. In both the cases you can use the sum method, but here the activity is different in this method. Addition of 2, here activity is different, addition of 3. Okay, but their name can be same because they are performing addition operation. So in that case you can use method overloading concept. So now we move on the Eclipse and perform this task. So here I am in Eclipse, friend. So that is my main class is input data, which is having main method. Taking one more class here, its name is overload. So this is my class, and here I am taking the method int sum. This is my method, and here I am typing the simple coding return a plus b. I don't need to take the third variable. Okay, if you use the coding like this. So this return statement return the result. Okay, return is always the last statement, and here it return the result. So whatever the values it is capture, it is returning that value. So we take one more method for getting the concept of overloading. So I add here one more parameter int c. So here your overloading concept is coming, and you observe now here 2 parameter and 3, and both are performing addition, but their little bit task is different. So here you have to create the object. So here this is my object of the class. You can observe here our class was overloaded, and after creating this object you have to access that. I am directly accessing output statement and write here o dot. So o dot, once you write here, the sum method is coming. Okay, so here I am writing sum and passing the two values. So here I pass these two values. Again I am taking this statement. Here I am passing one more value with that. Okay, so here this object taking these two value 2 and 3. So this value will be passed here because it is matching with that. 2 plus 3 5. So this value will be collected back here, and it will print this value. Here 3 parameters, so it will match with the second method, and this result will be collected downside, and here we get the 2 output. Let's check output. You can observe here, friend, our result 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 2 10. So that is coming. So here we are getting the concept of overloading. Simply you use such kind of method. Return time is not counted here, only the method name should be same, and there should be little bit difference here. So I hope you understood this concept. Thanks for watching.